Let me ask you something. Have you ever had one of those days where you wake up and immediately feel like life is already too much? Assignments due, messages piling up, your room looks like a side quest you don't want to do, and even though you know you have things to do, your brain just goes, bro, no. And then you call yourself lazy. But here's the truth no one told you. You're not lazy, your brain is glitching. And once you understand why, you can reset it. Stay with me for the next few minutes. This might actually change how you see yourself forever. We grow up being told laziness is a personality flaw. You're unmotivated, you don't care enough, you're irresponsible. Nah. What's actually happening is way more scientific and honestly kind of comforting. Your brain has one job: avoid discomfort and conserve energy. So when something feels overwhelming or confusing or stressful, your brain throws an error message. Too hard, avoid. You don't procrastinate because you're dumb or weak. You procrastinate because your brain thinks it's protecting you. And once you see it that way, everything changes. All right, so what's this glitch? It's something psychologists call task overwhelm. Basically, your brain can only hold a few pieces of info at a time. But modern life gives you like 900. School deadlines, grades, social pressure, notifications, the future, your sleep schedule being a war crime. Your brain malfunctions, it freezes, and you feel lazy. But the truth is, your brain isn't broken, it's overloaded. And overload has symptoms you already know. You pick up your phone without thinking, you avoid tasks until they're emergencies, you feel tired even after sleeping, you can't start, even when you want to. Sound familiar? Cool, now let's fix it. There's a simple reset routine I swear by, and it's honestly the only thing that ever worked for me consistently. It takes 10 minutes, not 2 hours, not a full morning routine, just 10 minutes. And it pulls your brain out of glitch mode and drops it back into I can do this mode. Let me break it down step by step. Step 1, move for 60 seconds. Not a workout, not jumping jacks, just move. Walk across your room, stretch, shake out your arms. Why? Movement tells your brain, we're alive, we're safe, start the engine. It literally increases dopamine, the chemical that makes starting easier. Step 2, breathe like you mean it. 30 seconds. In through your nose for 4, hold for 2, exhale for 6. This pulls your brain out of panic mode. You'll feel it instantly. Step 3, reset your environment. 2 minutes. No cleaning your whole room, just reset one thing. Your desk, your bed, or just the area around your laptop. Why? Your brain mirrors your environment. If your space looks like chaos, your thoughts feel like chaos. One quick reset equals instant clarity. Step 4, micro-start the task. 3 minutes. Here's the secret. Don't do the task, start the task. Open the document, write one sentence, read the first page, solve one question. Once your brain sees progress, the glitch goes away. Momentum equals motivation. Step 5, the 90-second rule. After micro-starting, tell yourself, I'll do this for 90 seconds. If I still hate it after that, I can stop. Spoiler, you won't stop, because starting is the hardest part. Once you're in motion, your brain releases dopamine, and that dopamine makes you want to continue. Step 6, remove the noise. 1 minute. Put your phone in another room, in a drawer, or behind your computer. Out of sight, out of brain. Notifications are just glitch triggers. Step 7, reward yourself. 30 seconds. Seriously, positive reinforcement works. Tell your brain, good job, we did something. Chocolate, a mean break, a walk. Anything tiny. Rewards teach your brain that action feels good, not painful. Listen, you are not lazy. You are exhausted, overwhelmed, mentally overloaded, dopamine depleted. But none of those things are your fault, and none of them define you. Your brain isn't working against you. It just needs a reset. And now you have one. So here's your challenge. Try this 10-minute reset tonight. Not tomorrow, not when you feel ready, tonight. Because you don't fix your life with motivation. You fix it with tiny resets that pull you out of the glitch and into momentum. If you want more videos that help you break procrastination, fix your mindset, and level up your life, hit that like button and subscribe. We're leveling up together, one small reset at a time.